Hi everyone, happy Thursday. I hope that you're having a great day. For today, we're going to start on vocabulary.com again and work through the words that are on the bio list. So if for some reason you weren't able to join our class on vocab.com last time, just go to our announcement from Tuesday and click on the link there, and that will add you to our class. But if you've already been added to the class, then you can just click on this link and it will take you to vocab.com. And it should, then you can just click Get Started to work on your assignment that you have. So then you could just continue to work on your words to live by, the bio words. So you want to work in that for 10 or 15 minutes just to get some practice in. You might have to do a couple of rounds of vocab, but just work in that for a little bit. The next thing that you're going to start working on is this Lexia mini lesson. And this is actually not due until Wednesday the 16th. So that is this coming Wednesday. So you have a little bit of time, and we'll give you time each day to work on it. So if you go ahead and click on the assignment, and wait for it to load. This is our favorite part. Okay, now this is going to be pretty hard to see, so I highly recommend clicking on this blue link up here so that you can open it in its own tab. Makes it a lot easier. Okay, so you're going, this is a series of slides that you are going to work on. This first slide just has vocabulary words. So again, you're going to look through them and make sure that you understand what they mean. And then on the next slide, you will take the meanings and drag them over to the correct space. Okay, so all the meanings are here on the side. You just click and drag them to the correct definition, or to the correct word. Match the definition to the word. Okay, so that's this first or second page. Your third page then, you're going to fill in the blanks. And again, if you still can't see this, there is a magnifying glass up here in your toolbar. Feel free to click on that zoom, and you can drag and have it zoom in a bit more for you. My eyes are terrible, so I can never see things, but maybe you guys can see it better. So the next page then is filling in the terms. So you would click and, come on, friend. You would click and type into the box what the correct answer is, okay? And then down below, it says draw a line from each example of text evidence to the background knowledge, to the background knowledge that can help make an inference. Ask yourself what's going on here, then draw a line from the background knowledge to the inference that follows. So you're going to take, you're going to draw a line in the example of text evidence, okay, that can help you make an inference, okay? So, for example, a child is dressed as a princess and is ringing your doorbell. So which one of these background knowledge pieces would give you a clue as to what that means? Well, probably that children wear costumes and ring doorbells on Halloween. So you would drag this over, connect it there, and then you can make it longer just by clicking and dragging it. Okay, then from there, you want to make an inference. Okay, so this is your evidence, this is your background knowledge. So what can we infer? Well, we can infer that it's probably Halloween, right? So again, you click here and pull this up like so, okay? And then you would do that for the other examples as well. All right. On the next page, you have a crossword that you will fill out, again, the vocab, and you can type one letter in each box to complete the crossword. The next page has skill application. So you have evidence, background knowledge, and then you infer. Same thing in the second one. And same thing here. Okay, so you're just going through and answering the questions, and then on this page, you are going to take the lines that you see on the side and you will underline the important parts of the text on what you need to focus on in the text, okay? So if you have any questions, feel free to let me know, but this is not due until next Wednesday. So what I would recommend is, let's see, we have class today, and then we'll have class on Monday, and then Wednesday. So that's about 3 class periods. So I would try to do 2 to 3 slides per class period, and that will keep you well caught up on what we are doing. Then the last thing that you are going to do for today is work in Lexia. Let me try to get back to our announcement. Your goal for today should be to make it all the way through at least one section of Lexia. So if you've noticed before, when you're working through Lexia, there's a green bar on the bottom and it fills up as you go, as you make progress. If you stop in the middle of one of those green bars, you lose all of your progress. So what we really want is for you to get to where that green fills up your whole screen and you move on to the next topic. So that's your goal for today, is to try to fill that green bar, because that's how you'll make progress and that's how you'll continue to be able to move out of the class at semester. So if you have any questions, you can call into the Zoom 145 to 205, or you can send me a message on Canvas or shoot me an email through your school Gmail account. I hope that you all have an awesome day, and if I don't talk to you before then, have a great weekend.